Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate 1099 reporting with TaxAct, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your TaxAct account and log in. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Locate the option for Tax Tools in the main menu. Click on Tax Tools to expand the menu options. Select 1099 reporting from the drop-down list. You'll be directed to the 1099 reporting section. If prompted, enter the necessary company information. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your payees. Once payees are entered, review their details for accuracy. After confirming the information, proceed to the next step. Select the type of 1099 form you need to complete. Fill out the required fields for the selected 1099 form. Ensure all necessary information is accurately provided. Next, review the summary of your 1099 reports. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Once satisfied, click on the File or Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message upon successful submission. Keep a record of this confirmation for your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.